Hello buddies, welcome to you on Digitalsoftecs. In this session, we are going to explain how to create a project in Pycharm IDE. So we have opened our Pycharm IDE and this is the opening page of Pycharm. So there are three options: new, to create new project, to open the recent project, and get from VCS. So this is the three options you can create and use during Python IDE, which called the Pycharm. So Pycharm is one of the best IDEs for Python development. So let's move on towards to create a new project, and here I can be my project name is Python. So here you can just whatever you want to create your project name. So I create. So Python is the name of my project. So it will take a little bit time to creating virtual environment. Pycharm IDE is very easy to use and it is one of the best IDEs for Python. So it will take a little bit time to create your virtual environment. So when you are professional or you belongs from IT, so you must use the Pycharm IDE. Pycharm IDE is best IDE used for Python. So it will take a little bit time and our project is going. So updating the interpreter. So this is the by default page and used for Python development. This is by default page of Pycharm IDE when you are creating this Python project. So you can remove these things, so you can wait for these things to be established. Indexing Python SDK Python 3.10, it will take a little bit, just seconds of time. It is the link of JetBrains to explore Python and Pycharm resources. So we can removing this code and we can write this print. You can click on these things, sometime it create, and you can create hello Python, hello Python. So then you press this play button and you will see the output hello Python. So this is enough for today, and we have explained how to create a new project in Python. So we are continuing this tutorial series. Stay with us and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.